Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna be making a sweater nail set today. I'm gonna be using a method suggested by one of my viewers. Thank you. I'm gonna be using regular polish. I'm gonna be using this polish. It's a popular Japanese brand here in Japan. It's really opaque. So if I'm lucky enough, I can finish this with just one coat. I guess I'm lucky today. I'm gonna cover the thumb. This is also a PA series. They say it is the most popular color this season. This color is not as opaque as the other one. It does get patchy, so probably I needed to paint this 3 times or so. I'm using the green polish which I used for the thumbnail. My ring fingernail is so curled up. It's so difficult to paint it. I guess many of you have the same issue. I don't think I need to paint it one more time. But this one needs 3 coats, I think. That's probably because I put too much nail polish on the brush. I'm gonna dry it for a good 7 minutes. 7 minutes later, I'm gonna stamp on the thumbnail. I always have a stamper and a scraper at hand on the desk. The scraper isn't a credit card, it's an old prepaid card. I'm gonna be mixing these 2 nail polishes. I painted the left one on some nails today, and I'm gonna use this thick one from Walmart in Hawaii. I want to stamp with a color that matches other nails. I hope mixing stamping polish helps it bring up the color well. I'm not sure about the portion though. Probably this much will do. The polish doesn't dry that quickly at this point. But once I scrape it, I have to be quick. I'm gonna use this for the first time. It's from Born Pretty. On their official website, you can go nail art, nail stamping, nail stamping polish. There you can find it, no smudge top coat oil. But I don't think it's really oil. On the bottle it says nail lacquer, but it's not really nail lacquer either. I think it's water-based nail polish. The stamped image doesn't get smudged at all with this. It's great. But I'm a little worried about how long it lasts. Oops, I hit my ring finger. I'm gonna tap it gently with nail polish remover. Once it's flattened, I'm gonna use a stamper. It looks totally fine now. I'm gonna paint the second coat on the little finger. I'm gonna stamp the ring finger. Another stamping plate from Temu. Again, I'm gonna mix 2 nail polishes. I'm gonna paint Born Pretty's non-smudge top coat. I'm not gonna paint the nail wall though. Nail art won't last very long if you paint the nail wall with non-smudge top coat. But with this one, I have to paint the nail wall like this. I'm gonna dry it for 7 minutes. I'm gonna paint a top coat. Just when I was starting, I felt something. Whoops, I did again. I should have put on a nail cover on it. Tap 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 with nail polish remover and a stamper. It's fixed. Where was I? Oh yes, I was going to paint a top coat. Thanks to the no smudge top coat, it doesn't smudge at all. I have to paint the wall this time. I'm gonna use these cute accessories from Temu. This is a third coat on the pinky. A top coat on the ring finger. I have to wrap the nail art like this. The middle finger. The index finger. Before it dries, I put the accessories on it. I'm gonna dry it for 7 minutes. I'm cleaning the excess print with washi tape. To do this, I have to make sure the polish is pretty dry. Something satisfying is going to happen. This. Right, I'm going to bed now. See you tomorrow. Good morning. When I woke up in bed, I found something unusual or usual. I got some marks from the bedsheet or the blanket. In a way, it does look like a sweater pattern. I'm gonna do a 3D art on this finger. What I'm going to use is starch, or you can use baby powder. I'm gonna use these stickers because I'm not confident enough not to use any guides. When you put a sticker on your nail, a stamper will come in handy. The sticky side is toward you. I'm gonna cut at the very end a little bit. I'm gonna use this sticker as well. And this one. I'm gonna put some starch on a palette. This is the runniest top coat I've got. This top coat is super runny, but once you mix it with starch, it stops to be runny and it starts to congeal or be firm. I don't know how to explain that in English. I can just paint on the sticker pattern. But I have to do it really quickly and clean the brush often. Mix it starch with do it again. I repeated it at least 3 times to give it a 3D effect. I'm using a dotting pen for the dots. Oh, this is easier with a dotting pen. After this, I fixed the shape a little bit. It's not completely dry, so you can still change the shape. I'm making dents with the back of a craft knife. And I'm deepening it with a silicone pen. I'm not sure it worked really well or not. I think my thumbnail needs some decoration. Nail foil glue from Shein. I'm gonna glue some studs on it. Yeah, it looks nicer with the studs. I'm gonna paint a matte top coat. I think this is a Korean brand. I'm painting the matte coat on other nails. This is the very last step. Okay, all done. This set turned out to be much better than I had expected. The 3D nail is so cute, I love it. I did a similar design on my right hand. Well, I gave up doing the 3D thing with my non-dominant hand. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!